Welcome to the construction site, kids. I'm a Caterpillar shovel. Around here, my friends call me Big Cat. The construction site is always a busy place. But since you've all taken the time to come and visit, my friends and I are only too glad to show you around. Believe it or not, this is going to be a hospital. To build this hospital, it takes many different kinds of machines, doing a lot of different jobs. This is Skinny. He's one of my tallest friends. Buongiorno, a big cat. He's part of the crane family. There are 5 of them working here at the construction site. These cranes are mobile. That means they can move from place to place, doing lots of different jobs. And there's Treads. She's not the biggest bulldozer you'll ever see, but she sure is busy.
How you doing, Big Cat?
I'm doing great. There's Charlie. He brings all the concrete to the site.
Hey, Big Cat. Nice to see ya. Looks like a busy place around here today.
And there's Mallory. She's a forklift. She's a big help when we have to move things around the site.
Nice to see you, Big Cat.
How's everything going, Mallory?
Oh, just great! I'm working with Lurch this morning and helping him get these materials to their proper place.
And last but not least, there's George the dump truck. He delivers all the sand to the site. Well, kids, now that you've met most of my friends, why don't you watch me do my work? With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, I'm singing my digging song. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, and it won't take very long. With a dig, dig, diggy, I'm dig, dig, digging, we'll build up to the sky. With a dig, dig, diggy, and a dig, dig, do, a building that's really high.
Hey, kids. Come on over and visit me. On big sites like this one, trucks are delivering materials all day long. And it's my job to get the materials off the truck and deliver them to where they're going to be used.
Here we go.
As you can see, we cranes play a really important role here at the construction site. It's us that makes everything happen.
Well, kids, my friends and I have given you a good look at what a building looks like at the beginning. Thanks for visiting. Goodbye.